Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make $300 per day on YouTube without making a single video. The technique that I'm going to be showing you guys today has really never been talked about on YouTube itself. It's something that a lot of people kind of discredit, they kind of look past it, but it is a strategy I am using for my second channel to be able to grow it to multiple thousands of subscribers every single month and make thousands of dollars doing it in a couple different ways. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do it. I'm going to give you pretty much a blueprint of what you can literally do starting not knowing anything about it right now, and then go implement it yourself and do the exact same thing that I'm doing to be able to gain a bunch of subs, get to monetization, and start making money. So definitely stick around for the entire video. I have a bunch of value for you guys. If you do enjoy it, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're not part of the family yet, hit that subscription button down below, and let's hop right into my computer. So a big thing that I talked about in the beginning of the video that a lot of people look past on YouTube in terms of making money with is live streams. Live streams are pretty much is accessible to every single person. The only thing you really need to do when you create a new YouTube account is just verify it. I think you just have to get an email sent to your inbox, click accept, and then you verify it, and then you'll get access to go ahead and live stream. You don't need to be monetized or anything like that. So obviously those of you that are watching this video are either having a YouTube channel or have with less than 1,000 subscribers, or haven't even started one. So let me tell you, now's a great time to get into it. And this strategy I'm going to show you guys today is pretty much just copying what other people do, but in a sense giving it your own little twist, and you'll never get copyright strike for it or anything like that if you do follow the methods I have here in today's video. But you need to follow every single one of them, because if you do not, one, you're probably not going to get monetized, and two, you're probably going to get copyright striked and you won't be able to make money off of YouTube. So if you guys have ever noticed, live streams, especially in the past couple months, have been a big thing on YouTube. It's a great way to grow your channel. It's a great way to get AdSense revenue. It's a great way to get donations. And so here is the first example. You guys know the whole PewDiePie versus T-Series thing. You can basically just go to these channels and actually just see that they just have a live stream of them comparing PewDiePie's actual numbers and T-Series. I actually just paused this video just so I don't get copyright strike for myself, but you guys can see it's literally live. You see the comments rolling through here every single second, and this one is on One Day Gaming, probably only 14K subscribers, and he consistently is, I've watched him all day. When I was watching him about an hour ago, had 100 views, and it's already up to 292, so you're gonna get a lot of already likes. You guys can see here he started the stream on March 8th, so it's literally been running. He probably just has a dud computer or just leaves his computer open all day so this can run, and I'll show you guys exactly how to set up what he's doing here later in the video. But that's just one example, and there's only I only looked, and there's probably about 3 or 4 people that are actually doing that still, and a lot of people just like watching it. They'll stay there, and sometimes people will donate, but either way you're gonna get AdSense revenue if you're to monetization. But if you're not, again, this is a great way to build up your watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers, because that's what you really need to get monetized today on YouTube. Especially the watch hour thing. People sit on live streams for a really long time, so it gives you a bunch of watch hour times. I think you need 4,000 hours, I believe. So being on a live stream really helps. Another one very popular thing that people do is they actually do music. I'm guaranteed most of you have seen these. You just go ahead and create playlists through your computer, and I'll show you the program that you guys can use, and it'll apply to every single one of these. So you kind of pick whatever you want to do. But the second one is that you just live stream non-copyright music. So obviously you don't want to play copyrighted music because you're going to get flagged or whatever. But you can see this one has 16,000 people watching. They have 2.8 million subscribers, so you probably won't have anything like that. But a lot of people love to just listen on music, whether they're studying, just chilling at home on their computer, just having background noise. People will always keep this up, and this is crazy cool way to build up your watch time, and you can make a lot of money if you are monetized and running ads on these things. You can make a lot of money, and people love to comment And this is, on these kind of things, you're reaching a global audience, so you really don't need to reach like a US audience speaking English or anything like that, especially with like the PewDiePie thing as well. Like, you're reaching a global audience, so you're gonna get a lot more viewers that way. And then another one I just thought was kind of funny was, will the DVD logo screen ever hit? I saw this in another video, so I thought I'd include this here. I don't really know how you do this, but if you guys think outside the box, you can see why people would do this. It's the whole thing where if the DVD hits the corner, it'll light up, and it's just kind of like this quote-unquote satisfying thing. But they're live streaming 112 people right now, so that's pretty incredible just for something stupid as a stupid DVD logo screensaver. And now I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can kind of implement that yourself using this one program. If you guys have never heard of it, don't worry, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set it up yourself if you're new to it. But it's basically called OBS. You can install it free on Mac or PC, it doesn't really matter. Basically what it does is just basically like a streaming service or program that connects with YouTube. And so basically how it works is, I'm just going to do the example of setting the whole PewDiePie versus T-Series thing, because I think this probably would be the most beneficial to your channel, monetized or not. But the PewDiePie versus T-Series thing, I kind of set it up already, but I'll show you guys exactly how I ended up doing it already. So over here, let me get rid of this real quick on the bottom of the screen. But again, it's called OBS. You can update it. You'll probably get the newest version if you do download it now. But the first two pages you want to pull up are the live sub counts. So you guys can see, like, this is the grow.grin. You can type it in. This one I got for PewDiePie, and then the other one let's see, this one's PewDiePie, and this one is T-Series. You guys can see, like, it's pretty smooth. That's why I really like this one. Better than Social Blade. It's a little bit choppy. And all you're going to go over here and do is go to OBS and then implement them. So YouTube, you first want to create a scene. All you have to do is go over to here. Plus, it'll ask you to just put a name. And then I just typed it, YouTube video for today's kind of thing. And then you kind of need to add these sources. So I have basically 3 components here. First is the white background. That'll be on the bottom, so you guys can see each of these kind of is stacked. So if I put the white up here, it'll cover these, and if I put the white on bottom. So first, all I did was go over to here and then do color source, and I changed it to white. I just typed in white or whatever, and you can change the color to white. So that's just my background. Again, this can all be customized however you want to do it. But then the PewDiePie one, all I did was add browser. And then all it's going to ask you to do is go ahead and get the link. So I just copied the link from this one for PewDiePie, and then I did the other one for T-Series, so I added a whole second source. And then you can kind of just adjust them. You guys can see here, like, I can change how big or small they are. And if you guys want to add other cool components too, you can add titles, you can add like images. So if you just have like a PewDiePie versus T-Series thing, you can just type in probably PewDiePie versus T-Series on Google, put in that image, if you just save it to your computer, and then you can put it here, and then you could just resize it towards something like this. And you guys can see on this one, they make it super creative. They had a whole subscriber difference thing, so they have a program running. Like and subscribe. So this one looks really cool. That's why I think a lot of people did it. He's probably just using OBS. He just has all these images he implemented on the screen, like for PewDiePie versus dislike for T-Series. So obviously it doesn't really matter, because a like or dislike is engagement on your channel. So it gets people engaged. It gets people to be like, huh, all right, he's doing like a whole giveaway, like and subscribe. It looks legit, right? It looks appealing to the eye to actually look at, rather than something like this. It's kind of boring, right? But you guys know the gist of what I'm doing here. It's pretty simple, and all you have to do to actually live stream it is go to settings, stream, type in YouTube gaming, and then when you go over to your YouTube channel, you can just go to your live stream settings. You can put in your stream key, just copy paste it here, press OK, and then start streaming. So that is a super powerful tool. Pretty much I think about 99% of the people that live stream on YouTube use this tool. There's a couple other ways you can do it, but this is probably the simplest way for the sake of the video, and this is how I have actually, what I've been doing to grow my own second YouTube channel. In terms of how to make money doing it, there's a couple different ways, because obviously we're here. I said the title of the video is how to make $300 per day on YouTube without making videos. One point I do want to make before I get into it, you guys can see like how passive this really is. It took me 10 minutes to set this up. Probably a good screen like this guy's back here would be probably set up 20, 30 minutes, maybe max an hour. You let it run, keep your computer opening, press start streaming. If you don't have any problems with your internet, it'll just run, and you can see this guy was running it since March 8th, and I'm filming this on March 11th. So you guys can see like how much watch hour he's probably getting. He's probably, and now kind of getting into how you can get paid for it. There's 3 different ways. One is your AdSense revenue, which is obviously just ads on it. When you're live streaming, you can kind of manually put in ads every so few minutes if you really want to. So you can make a lot of money through YouTube AdSense. Second way would be super chat donations. You guys can see here on the right, people are kind of typing. A lot of the times people will just randomly donate. So if you like this guy, you might want to put like donate if you love the content or something on this screen. That way people know they can donate, and all you have to do is it just goes right to your YouTube kind of money. That's a cool second way you can get paid. And the third way is affiliate links, which I haven't seen a lot of these people on the live streams doing, but affiliate links, you can just take affiliate links from ClickBank, promote products. I'd say maybe like programs that teach you how to grow YouTube or something related to the topic of what your video is. The other ones were music and DVD logo screen. I don't know what you would do for those, but you guys can just kind of look through ClickBank, see what kind of programs would relate. Sometimes it doesn't even have to be related, but if you put affiliate links, people are going to look at the description and possibly buy from you, and you get a chunk of the change every time somebody buys from you. So you should definitely be implementing all those 3 methods. It's crazy cool how you can make money just with live streaming. This isn't even making videos at all. You're just live streaming from your computer. You're getting a bunch of watch time, and you're making a ton of money. So I hope you guys did enjoy this strategy today. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on the video. And if you're not part of the family yet, I know you already know what to do. Hit that subscription button down below. Appreciate you guys being here, and I'll catch you in the next one.